Abandon. He had to abandon his plans. Astonish. The trick will astonish everyone. Benefit. Exercise benefits health. Cautious. She was cautious crossing. Decline. Sales declined. Embrace. He embraced the opportunity. Fluctuate. Temperature fluctuates. Gratify. Winning gratifies effort. Hesitate. Don't hesitate to ask. Inspire. The words inspire you. Jubilant. The crowd was jubilant. Keen. She's keen on art. Linger. He lingered at the park. Mimic. The child mimics sounds. Navigate. We need to navigate the city. Obscure. The meaning was obscure. Pioneer. She is a pioneer. Quaint. The village is quaint. Resilient. He was resilient. Skeptic. He is a skeptic. Tangible. The proof is tangible. Urgent. The message is urgent. Vivid. She has vivid memories. Warrant. Police need a warrant. Yearn. I yearn for peace. Zeal. He worked with zeal. Ample. There is ample room.